Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on today's video we are going to be unstuffing my cash envelopes, some of my sinking funds, and depositing them in the bank. So if that is something that you are here for, just keep on watching. If this is your very first time, welcome. Thank you guys so much for clicking on my video and checking your girl out. I really appreciate you. I really hope that if you see something that you like in this video, that you do subscribe, and then you also give this video a thumbs up. And if you are back for another video, welcome back, Jim. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. So let's go ahead and get started. So the money that I am unstuffing today is money that I have spent and I need to put it back in the bank, or this is money that I will be spending for a bill or what have you, and I need to add that money to the bank as well. So I am just going to write down here what we are depositing, and then we'll calculate it up at the end to see basically how much money we're depositing in total. And my pen is going out, so let's get another one. All right, so first we are going to go in my daily cash envelopes, because I do need to empty out my grocery envelope and deposit this money. So we have 20, 40, 60, 61, 62. Hold on. Okay, so now let's count it. 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77. Actually, I'm going to put this to the side because I'm going to put that in my challenge envelope. So we're depositing 20, 40, 60, 70. Okay, I'm gonna put that like all right. So now let's open up our sinking funds and see what we are going to be taking or depositing into the bank. So I didn't have any medical expenses, auto care. So my daughter, unfortunately, her car was broken into. Someone broke her window and took her shoes, and so she had to get her window replaced. So I did help her out, and I gave her $100 for her window. So for auto care, we got $100 here. Now let's see what we have left in our auto care envelope. 50, 70, 90, 95. So we have $100 left in our auto care envelope. Next is car registration. I've already taken the money out of there. So hair. So listen, you guys, how come you guys didn't tell me about wigs? You guys did not let your girl know about wigs, and I have just been on YouTube looking up all the wig videos, and you have cheap ones, you got expensive ones. So you guys, I am obsessed, okay? And now I have to create a wig envelope, because there's some wigs that I want that's expensive. They're human hair wigs. So let me know down in the comments, do you guys wear wigs, and you know, which ones do you like the most? Because this is something that I am just super excited about it. I just got done watching a wig video before I started filming. I was like, okay, you gotta film, girl. So let me know down in the comments, do you wear wigs? How do you like them? Do you wear the headband wigs? Because those are the ones that I really like. I got a half wig. Yes, so I got a half wig from Amazon, and I think that one's cool. So yeah, let me know, do you guys wear wigs? So really, I went and I had to buy some stuff for my hair. So really, I'm gonna be, let me see if I'm gonna deplete the whole. Actually, I spent 50. Actually, I do have to deplete the whole envelope, because I did buy a wig from, I can't think of the wig. I bought like 3 wigs, you guys, and so I need to put the money back. So we got 50, 100, 50, 200, 20, 25, 30, $35. So $235. And actually, I am going to calculate all the money that I did spend and see if I really do need to deplete all of this. But I know that I bought a wig from, I think I bought a human head wig, and then one wig I have to return because I didn't like it. So I might not have to deplete all of it, but when I'm editing the video, I'll let you guys know if I have to deplete all of it. But you guys, we have got to talk about these wigs. Like, we really, this is the wrong pile. We have got to talk about these wigs because you guys did not tell me. Normally I get my hair braided, but I was like, I don't know, I was like, let me try something different. And yes, so I'm excited. So clothes, I did buy myself some clothes, 20, 40, 60, 70, and I spent $70. It was around $70, so I'm gonna just say $70. And then HOA, I need to take HOA out because I need to pay the HOA bill. And I have some, I'm gonna have a video coming up about HOAs. Let me know down in the comments if you want to know more about HOAs and what they cover, if you should pay, if you should buy a home or, you know, a piece of property that has HOA attached to it. Let me know if you want to know, have a video about that. And then also let me know what questions you have about HOAs. Okay, so we got 20, well, 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80. We got $280. Now my HOA bill did come in and it was actually $258. So 100, 200, I'm gonna just put what is that, 60 in there, and I'm gonna leave this 20 in here. So this is 260. Yeah, I remember way back when I was like, I will never ever buy property with an HOA. So I really want to do a video about HOAs. Are they worth it? Are they not? Yada yada yada. Okay, trash, we're good here. Girls' Day, good here. Birthdays, my birthday is coming up, you guys. Make sure that you stay tuned for September because we are celebrating all month long, and we got some really exciting things coming up that I'm so excited about. So make sure that you stay tuned. Support envelope, I don't think I've purchased anything from anyone's shop. Investing, Planner Bay, I have not purchased any planner stuff that I can remember. Beauty Counter, I do need to get some stuff for my face because I am all out. And this is my skincare that I use there. All right, so that is pretty much it. This is what we are going to be depositing in the bank. So let's go ahead and calculate all of this to make sure that we have the right amount here. And we are going to get my handy dandy calculator here. Let's zoom in a little bit. All right, so $70 plus $100 plus $235 plus 70 plus 260 plus 60. So we are going to be depositing $795, and let's just make sure that's what we have here. Yeah, you guys, I mean, I have some really exciting content coming up for you guys. Also, make sure that you stay tuned. I got some dope content coming in the month of October. Stay tuned. You really need to smash that subscribe button, and you really need to smash that thumbs up button because I think you guys are gonna be really stoked about what's coming up, because I am, and I think we like the same things. So make sure that you know, give this video a thumbs up to let me know that you're excited. The birthday month is coming up. October is coming up. October is going to be 2 years that I've been on YouTube actively. It shows that I've been on YouTube for a long time, but that's not true because I had an account, but I was only watching videos. But I actually started uploading videos October 1st, 2019. And so this October marks 2 years that I've been consistently active on Instagram. No, sorry y'all, consistently active on YouTube. Okay, all right, so let's count. 1 2 3 4 5 20 40 60 86 20 40 60 87 20 40 60 70 75 80 85 90 95 795. So we check out right here and then we check out right there. So I am going to deposit this money in the bank, and that is it. Thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel today. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, I really encourage that you follow me over there, because there I give you like more up-to-date content and information. Also, please note that my schedule has changed for YouTube. I am now uploading videos on Sundays, Mondays, and Thursdays. Okay, Sunday, Monday, Thursday. It's just better for me to be able to get consistent content out to you guys with my new life and working from home and all that jazz. And so I had to do something that was going to work for me so that I can continue to serve you guys more consistently. So thank you guys so much for spending time with me today, and I will see you in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.
This is a new phase, game change, flying by in real time, catching the deep waves.